and start to accelerate the aircraft's engine, must be a genius. Just by this small thing, it can get 100 tons of water to get in the sky. Actually, it's not at all hard. It only needs to change the temperature of the air and the pressure, and to get it immediately. Now, attention. This is the engine's engine. It's installed in a special fan. This fan can take the outside air in and send it to the pressure station. The pressure station is divided into two parts, the pressure and the pressure. The air will be compressed and converted into the pressure station. The pressure station will then take the air in and the air will be constantly absorbed into the fire. The air in the air will burn the high-pressure gas. The high-pressure gas will immediately rise. When the high-temperature gas is pushed into the air will be pushed by this gas and starts to rotate, until the high-temperature gas is poured from the tailgate is pouring out and creates a huge push. Now, let's look at the process. First, the fan will absorb a lot of air and push into the pressure engine. The gas station will take this air and convert it into a high-pressure gas. After the compressed, the high wetting gas temperature is around 450 degrees. After the fire, the aviation will be the fuel, the air will again heat the high-pressure engine, making the gas reach 1700 degrees.